Kuramoga jang seneta Manakuru Tabitha Karanja gwetao kaka jatatije mar kambi maloso kuong mar Keroche breweries kakoro odwa keto maino mare tije kaka seneta kod kaka jalup jatend kweth manoke od bura mar senate. Karanja gweta otoktie kambi no kuom thuolo mar higni 25 kama notayo kambi no mobedo ka jatend kambi maduong' mar ariyo manyoyo kuong e pachoka.
Today marks a significant milestone as I make an important announcement. Having navigated the journey as a captain for 25 years, the time has come for me, Tabitha Karanja, to pass the baton to a new generation of business leaders. With immense pride, I hereby announce my decision to step down as the CEO of Keroche Breweries, entrusting the leadership to a deserving successor.
The CEO, the chairman of the organization, have set the pace for us. The distributors have stood with us. The employees have stood with us. It is now our turn to ensure this organization moves to the next level with courage, determination, and the resilience that has been experienced and has been imparted on us by the able chairman and our able CEO.
Of course, when the company started, it needed people to support it out there. And most of the distributors who are here have been in this company for the longest period. And we give you a lot of thanks for going through all the things that have been in the market, because all the fights that we've had, of course, come from the market.